Hello everybody, it's CyberGeek here, and today I just wanted to make a video update on a new possible fix or solution if you are receiving the error message in Pokemon Go that reads, "Unable to authenticate, please try again." I know that I had released a video yesterday on a possible solution and fix that I use personally to resolve this issue from my device. Just looking at the comment section and the feedback today, it seems like it's helped some people, and a lot of people are still experiencing this issue. So I did a little bit more research this morning. I did some research on Google, and I went through some Reddit articles, and I found a new solution that may work for you. So I just want to share that with everybody. And I would like to first off state that this video is only intended for Google Gmail users. If you are attempting to log into Pokemon Go via a Pokemon Trainer Club account, I do not have a fix for that currently. So if you are attempting to log into Pokemon Go with a Google account and you are met with the error message that reads, "Unable to authenticate, please try again," and it will not let you access your account, I'm going to walk you through some simple steps that will hopefully get your account working again. I would first like to state that these steps are going to be revolving around the Android operating system. So if you are using an iOS device, essentially you would be doing the same thing on Android that you would on iOS, but the steps would be different. You need to make sure that if you are on an iOS device that you have the ability to install third-party applications. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. And what you need to do essentially is downgrade Pokemon Go. You are going to have to uninstall Pokemon Go from your device and then downgrade it. How you are going to do this is by deleting the data for Pokemon Go and then uninstalling the application. So go into your settings, go into your apps, and force close the application, delete the cache, delete the data, and uninstall Pokemon Go from your phone. Make sure that the application is completely uninstalled from your phone, and what you are going to need to do next is download an older version of Pokemon Go. To do this on Android, all you have to do is pop up your browser, go to Google, and type in download Pokemon Go 0.29.2 APK. It is essential that you get that version or a version that came out prior to that. My recommendation is the 0.29.2 APK. Download that APK to your phone. If you are on Android and you do not have permission to download that third-party app, simply work your way to the settings and then make sure you allow unknown sources so you can install it onto your Android device. Once you have downloaded and installed the older version of Pokemon Go, simply click on the application and let it load. Once you reach a certain point in the application loading, it is going to prompt you within the game to do a manual update of Pokemon Go. That is what you need to do. So you are going to have to manually update Pokemon Go through the game. So once it prompts you for that, select yes. It is going to reroute you to your app store, most likely Google Play. Once inside of your app store, simply update Pokemon Go through the app store. After you have done so and the game is completely updated, go back to Pokemon Go and load the game like you typically would. What this is going to do is it is going to essentially start from the beginning. So you're going to have to allow all of the permissions and input your birth date and attempt to log into your Google account. The first time you attempt this, it is going to give you a random server error message. Do not freak out. This is a randomly generated error message that says that they're humbled by our service. This happens every time. Once you get to this point and it's updated and you have loaded to that error message, simply close Pokemon Go and open it back up again. Once you open it back up again and it loads to the point where you're going to be signing in with your Google account, simply sign in like you normally would and your account should work. This has been a fix that has helped lots of people around the world, and there's a lot of good feedback about this. As far as downgrading Pokemon Go and then just upgrading it manually, a lot of people have been able to bypass this authentication error. If you are still receiving this error message after you have done these steps, there is a very good chance that your account may be locked from Niantic servers. How you would check this is really simple. Find another device, add your Google account associated with your Pokemon Go account to that device, and attempt to log into Pokemon Go servers from another device. If you are getting the authentication error message still, then chances are your account has been locked from the servers. It's highly recommended that you send in a request to Niantic to have this lock removed. I will leave links in the description for other possible fixes resolving this issue, as well as a link to Niantic's ban appeal page if you would like to submit a request to have your account looked at. I really hope that this helped a lot of people. Like I said, that other video was kind of mixed results, and I'm really hoping that this helps a lot more people. So if you are experiencing this issue and this has fixed the problem, please leave a comment below and just let me know, the details of it and that it worked for you. If you are still experiencing this issue and your device will not let you log into Pokemon Go, just leave a comment below, and any possible fixes that I find in the future, I will post a video about. As always, thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you're interested in my Pokemon Go account giveaway, I will leave a link in the description for that as well. That account is not a hacked account. It is an authentic account that me and my children have played on for countless hours, and I am doing it to promote my channel this month, and it's got some pretty good stuff inside of it. So all you have to do to enter that giveaway is just leave a comment on that video. Let me know why you're a Pokemon fan. All right, so as always, like I said, thank you all for watching, and have a great day.